Today, I'm going to ask you the most fundamental question of your life. Is the phone you're holding, the chair you're sitting on, or even the eyes watching this video, are all of these real? Or are we just pixels inside a massive, ultra-advanced computer program, a simulation? If the simulation theory is true, our current existence could be a playground designed for us, a gigantic video game. And you know what the most surprising part is? It's not just science fiction writers who take this theory seriously and are starting to look for proof, but also the world's most respected physicists, tech giants, and philosophers. Are you ready? Because when this video ends, your perspective on the world will completely change. Let's get started. Hello and welcome to the Mind Lab. I am your channel name, and today we are laying out one of modern science's most confusing and exciting hypotheses: simulation theory. So where did this idea come from? It all started with a paper published in 2003 by the famous philosopher Nick Bostrom. According to Bostrom, if we become technologically advanced enough, it is inevitable that we will create extremely realistic simulations reenacting the lives of our ancestors. And this is the key point. What if we are one of those simulations created by a preceding generation? In fact, Bostrom claims that only one of three possibilities can be true. Bostrom's theory essentially states, either all civilizations before us went extinct before they could achieve the technology to run large-scale simulations, or they reached the technology but for some reason chose not to run any simulations, which is not very logical for a curious civilization, or we are already living inside a simulation. Statistically speaking, if an infinite number of civilizations can run simulations, while the number of real universes is one, the number of simulated universes could be billions. Which possibility are we more likely to be in? Physicists have detected some strange occurrences in our universe that could be signs of a simulation. The cosmic ray limit. Why do high-energy cosmic rays have an energy limit while traveling through space? Some think this could be a processing power limit in a computer program, a processor constraint. Quantum mechanics. A particle does not have a clear position until you observe it. The moment you observe it, it collapses and determines a position, just like a video game not fully rendering a scene until you go to that area, only loading it when necessary. Energy saving. Tech visionaries like Elon Musk are among the biggest supporters of this theory. According to Musk, consider the path we've taken from the game Pong until today. It's almost certain that a civilization thousands of years in the future will flawlessly simulate our current reality. In fact, he says, if we're not in a simulation, then that's really concerning. So what happens if the simulation theory is true? Free will, our creator. Or if we find out, will they turn off the program? The simulation theory is not just a science fiction fantasy. It is a mathematically plausible, philosophically challenging, and scientifically testable hypothesis. Now it's your turn. You, who are watching this video and questioning your own reality. Do you think you're real or just a piece of code? Be sure to share what you think with me in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more mind-opening content. See you in the next video. Enjoy reality.